It's your boy Roman Higatino, another video. And this week it's a language video, so we'll be comparing Spanish, the language of salsa, French, the language of amor, of love, and English, the language of tea. So we'll be comparing them to see which of these three languages is the sexiest.
Yeah, you set my soul on fire.
So I did a video like this some time ago where I did a voting system, and if you want to know the results, you can just check this video out. And so this time I'll be making a comparison of the languages with a pretty popular Disney movie, which is Aladdin. And so we'll see which one expressed the song A Whole New World more sexier. I'm trying to feel myself. Oliver.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, and when do you last? Let your heart decide.
Alright, so that was pretty beautiful. Now let's go with the language of love, French, and see how the French translate this song. I can offer you a world with thousands and one splendors. Tell me, princess, have you ever let your heart talk? Yo, French people have a way with words like, ooh la la, I can offer you a new world filled with 1,001 splendors. So tell me, princess, have you ever let your heart talk? Oh, the French version is sexy. Whoa, I prefer this one so far. What about you guys? Anyways, the race is not over as yet. Let's go on to Espanol. I want to show you this splendid world. Tell me, princess, let your heart dream. Ooh la la. All this Spanish stuff say ooh la la, but okay. The first part, I could enseñarte, like show you a new world. That was okay. It's normal. But the part that really got me was when he said, let your heart dream. I mean, having your heart talk is one thing, but letting your heart dream, ooh la la. Wait, what Spanish would say that French is ooh la la? Mamma mia.
What was that? What was that?
Anyways, let's take it on to verse 2. Actually, it's not the verse, but I'll take you guys to the chorus.
Fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no or where to go.
Let's elope.
We're only dreaming a whole new world.
Oh, let's stop there. Oh, the English. I think this is my graduation song in primary school. So here we are, so we are lovers, and no one can tell us where to go, what to do. You love me, I love you, you move to France. Come move to France and be with me. Or I move to where you are, or we go wherever we want. This is simply amazing. Anyways, let's see what the French have to say about it. This blue dream. It's a new world of colors, where no one can tell us that it's prohibited to still believe in forever. Oh my god! So first of all, they describe a whole new world as a pale blue, like a blue world with different colors. Like, I'm going to color your world. And the part that really got to me is where he said, no one can tell us that we can't love, that I can't love you and you can't love me. No one can tell us that it's prohibited, it's forbidden to believe in happy ever after. That's the word I was looking for. I said forever after. It's the same thing, in happy ever after. Wow. I mean, the English one is good, but the French version, it's ooh la la sexy. But what do my tacos have to say? That's not a good representation of Spanish people. I'm sorry, guys. Pero te amo. Te quiero mucho. The ideal world would be fantastic to find. No one can say no or where to go. To those who are in love. I feel like a fangirl. Wow. I mean, Mike is a fanboy. I've never heard of fanboy before, right? So, the part that stood out for me, which I think wins, is the part that says un mundo ideal, an ideal world. It's not just a pays bleu, it's not just a dream world or a new world, but it's the ideal world. Clearly, a world that you and I could be together, where your rank doesn't stop us from loving each other. And the other part, which I absolutely love and adore, is the ending, where in English it says no one can tell us no or where to go or say we're dreaming. In French, it says no one can tell us that, hey, it's prohibited, forbidden to believe in happy ever after. Here, they're actually saying that basically to those who are in love, people can't tell you what to do, where to go, what not to do. So if you're in love, don't let people say, oh, it won't work because you're in a long distance relationship. Don't let people say, oh, you don't speak the language of your lover or the person whom you're interested in. No, for those who are in love, never say never. Never say never. I will fight. Na 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 na. I don't know this song, so how about I leave it to the professionals?
I will never say never. I will fight.
Woo! Yeah. Anyways, so let's get to the last part of the song, which is the ending. On y va. A whole new world. That's where we'll be. Thrilling chase, wondrous place for you and me. So it's nice, a whole new world, that's where we'll be. So after we've left those who think we can't be together, or families, or whoever disagree with their love, let's go somewhere and be where we ought to be. You know? A world just for you and I. Let's see how the French interpret it. This blue dream in the middle of the night will last for eternity. Wow. It's beautiful. I won't lie, it's beautiful. The English version is still stuck with me. I'll give it that. I think for the first one, the French one. The second one, I think I'll give it to Spanish. But this one, English has it so far. What? We can't decide without having Los Españoles. An ideal world. To share. An ideal world to share. And to contemplate. Junto a ti. With you, together with you, beside you. Wow. Alright, I mean, I think the lyrics here is beautiful. Like, an ideal, because I just love the expression an ideal world. Hey, we're together, we can share this world, we can share a love. Yeah, I mean, I think English won this part. For me, it's a tie so far. What do you guys think? So, just simply drop it down in the comments down below, and we'll see which is the winning language. But just before you go, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And hold on, I'm not done yet. Don't get off this video. And if you've not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscription button and tap the notification bell so that you always know when I make an upload. And finally, there's another version of this song that is sung by Zayn Zaid, the guy that sings Dusk Till Dawn. You all know him. And Becky G. So it's in Spanish and English. Becky sings it in Spanish, of course, and the other guy sings English. So I'll let you guys be the judge of it. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so I prefer this part of it. So finally, let's hear Becky. Oh, her voice is good. Oh wow. This girl has a beautiful voice and she's also beautiful. Together, I think they do well. Anyways, guys, that's it for my video for this week. I'll leave the link of that in the description box down below. Hope you guys love my video and I'll see you next week. Ciao, ciao. A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. No one to tell us no or where to go or say we're only